Today, I want to talk about explaining the factory warranty. I think this is key when we're in finance to be able to explain the factory warranty to our customers. So it doesn't matter if it's a new car, it doesn't matter if it's a used car. We need to explain what powertrain service or powertrain warranty that it has on it. Also, what exclusionary policy, what's covered and what's not covered. That way, your customer's in a position that they know what kind of coverage they have today, or if they don't have coverage. And what this will do is it'll give you the opportunity to talk about your products in the future so that they can protect themselves. A great way to explain what factory coverage they have is use a graph. If you have something digital, that's a great way to do it also. But if you use a graph, it's going to educate the customer, because I think there's a lot of misnomers out there about what kind of coverages they still have. So this way, set them up to be able to make an educated decision whether a service contract makes sense for them. So explain the factory warranty on your new and used car sales, and hopefully this will help you out.